If you find yourself locked out of your PayPal account and unable to access it due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. When prompted for your credentials, select the option for having trouble logging in to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your PayPal account. This will help PayPal identify your account and initiate the recovery process. Click Next to proceed. Step 3. Select recovery options. Since you cannot access your verification codes, look for alternative recovery options. PayPal may offer to send a code to your registered phone number or email. If you do not have access to these, select the option for I don't have access to these to explore further assistance. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. Providing the correct answers can help verify your identity and allow you to reset your account access. Step 5. Contact PayPal customer support. If you are still unable to recover your account, reach out to PayPal's customer support directly. Use the contact options available on their website, such as live chat or phone support, and explain your situation. They will guide you through the necessary steps to regain access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your PayPal account even without verification codes. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from PayPal's support team.